Hey, what is up, guys? This is the FNH here, and today I'm going to be talking about another way you guys can make passive income with basically whatever you have at home. All right, so there's a website called Turo.com, right? And this allows you to rent out your car to other people on a daily basis. Okay, so you can see the website over here. So basically, the way it works is you can. So I guess if you go to the website, the first thing you'll see is here, like I guess the city, the time, and then the date, whatever. All right, and you can see here there's cars. So basically, regular people are listing their cars up online, and they're putting a price, right? So you can see this white Ford Mustang, right? It's a 2016 model. It's $55 a day. So if I go rent it out to them, the person who put this up online, I have to pay him $55 a day. Okay, so if I used it for the weekend for 2 days, he just made $110. All right, so this is basically like free money. So the whole point of this is not everyone uses their car 7 days a week, 24/7. So you can list your car up for times and days that you don't really use it. So let's say you don't use your car normally from Monday to Friday on the weekdays, and you only really need it on the weekends. So that's perfectly fine. You can list that up when you sign up here. You can list up your car that it's available from Monday to Friday, and put the times also if you want to get that more specific, right? Let's say you want it back by Friday, 5 o'clock, all right, 5 p.m. So yeah, you can put that in so the car will be back by 5 p.m. So whoever rents it out, right, and depending on the car you have, obviously, if it's a higher end car, you could rent it out for more, right? But if it's on the lower end, it's you might not make that much, but it's still better than nothing, right? So yeah, you can just sign up here, and then depending on, I guess, your location also, where you're located, I guess it depends on how much people are willing to rent out cars also, so that matters as well. And also you got to take into consideration like insurance and other fees, maintenance fees, right? So it's not like so this owner is not getting exactly $110, so I'm sure Turo takes a certain percentage, and then on top of that, just the miles driven, the miles driven that will kind of depreciate the car value. All right, so you can see here it made 127 trips, meaning 127 people have rented it out and driven it and used it for. It doesn't say the specific amount of days, but let's click into it and see what other information it provides. So I'm sure they have more pictures of the car, obviously, right? So it's a nice car. So yeah, you can see that it's a nice car, clean, 2016. Just giving you regular information about the car. So here, if you rent it out for one day, you can see over here that you are allowed up to 200 miles. If it's a week, it's 750. A month, 1,125 miles. All right, and they do have insurance. It's by Liberty Mutual, so you don't have to worry about that, right? Right, and obviously you definitely want to check out the reviews. And this is, I guess what locations you'll be able to pick it up. All right, so basically this is just a quick way. If you guys have a car or whoever one of you guys have a car and don't really use it, whether on the weekends or don't use it on the weekday, you could instead of it just lying outside in your in your garage or in your parking lot or in the street somewhere, you can have someone else drive it, use it, and then give it back to you with the extra cash for you. I personally think this is a great idea, right? I have used this service before. The cars are really I've used it around like 3 times. The cars are fairly good. Never really had an issue with it, so that's good on the plus side. So yeah, I mean, let me know what you guys think about this. Just think about this whole business model. Do you guys think that it's actually a way to make money? Obviously you can't make a living off of it, but you could add a few $100s to your income at the end of every month. All right, and so yeah, let me know what you guys think. Please leave it in the comments below. Make sure to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.